So what would happen if you combined F1 and football? We are going to find out today. Okay, so the first two teams I wanted to combine was Manchester United and Ferrari. First thing I wanted to do was turn this kit red for Manchester United and Ferrari. Then looking at the Ferrari logo, I wanted to implement the Italian flag into the design. And I think that looks absolutely perfect. Now all I needed to do next was add it to the collar, and I'm not going to lie, this kit is coming along already. Next up was adding the sponsors, and I think that looks great. Right, so I decided to trash the other project in the bin because I did not like it. We're going to start again. Watch F1. It's very formal, it's really formal, and I think putting formal into this kit would work great. Right, so let's add the logo and sponsor just like that. Let's not forget the important Ferrari logo. See, I really can't decide to go with white or yellow. I think it'll be white. Just adding the stripes on the collar and the arms. It's just coming together, isn't it? So far I'm so happy. It does look like an F1 kit, to be fair, more than a football kit. I need to add a design to this to make it a bit more texture to it. Just adding this pattern makes it look so much better. Honestly, I'd wear this. All we need to do now is add this to the sleeves, and this kit is done. And that, can't forget the authenticity sticker. There we go. Can't forget the authenticity sticker. There we go. Is that? Oh. Tell me what you think in the comments about this kit, and let's get on to another one. Okay, so when I think of Man City, I think let's add Red Bull, because they have one of the greatest athletes on this earth, which is Max Verstappen, and City also have one of the best athletes, being Erling Haaland. The design I really want to go for on this kit is like a futuristic half and half kit. You'll understand what I mean when you see it. So I found this design on Free Pick and decided to drop it onto the kit. All I have to do now is change the colours, and it should look perfect on this kit. So I added the futuristic design to the kit, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favourite, but it works. I'm not gonna lie, I spent a long time on this. So I decided to add the details to the sleeves and the collar. This design was looking really active and too much in your face in the middle, but then I added the Red Bull logo, and I think it just looks perfect. All I need to do now is add the Puma logo and City logo and do a final touch up. Just adding the City logo and Puma logo. I also changed the colours of the kit because it wasn't really City colours. But that is that kit done. Let me know what you think about this kit. It's not my favourite by any means. It's a bit messy, but we have fun. Right. Shall we do another? Okay, so the third and final teams I want to combine are Bayern Munich and Mercedes-Benz. They both originate from Germany. I think it'll be a perfect matchup. Okay, so with this design, I wanted to go with grunge effect, representing like tyre marks on the F1 track.
Have you ever had a dream that you want?
And this is what I came up with. That is just the base of what this is going to look like. Let's carry on, shall we? I added the Mercedes-Benz logo, but it did not really stand out, so let's change that. I thought changing this to white and adding a bit of stroke behind it would make it better, but it hasn't. So I have a different idea. Okay, so I decided to add the German flag's colours into this Bayern Munich logo. I think that looks pretty good for this design.
Yeah, boy.
Now all we need to do now is add it to the kit. I also changed the Mercedes-Benz logo to the AMG logo, which in my opinion looks just 10 times better. Looking at the kit just looks colourless. It looks really, really dull. We're gonna have to change that. Let's see if this looks better. Oh yeah, miles better. Absolutely. Landslide, miles better. I just need to change the colour of the cuffs to Bosch and Bosch. Let's add the logos to the sleeves, and then this kit is eventually done. Not gonna lie, this is one of my favourite ones so far. And ladies and gentlemen, that is today's video. I think that is one of my favourite kits of today. Well, that is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have watched it this far, thank you very much. Honestly, it means a lot. These videos are really fun to make. Leave some teams that I need to do in the comments, and I will look at every single one of them, I promise. But yeah, love you guys to death, and peace.